Well, good morning. Just wanted to do a little quick how-to video for some of you guys and gals that may not know how to do it. So I did post a video recently, the Advanblack tour pack install. This is it. It's the chopped tour pack on my 2021 Road Glide Special. Just got back, just picked it up from the dealer this morning. They did a 5,000 mile service for me. But anyway, when you buy the aftermarket tour packs, it's keyed differently than your regular keys for your saddlebags. So the key that fits this right here, this little lock, is not the same as this one here. So if you end up going to Harley, they can special order you. It's called a lock T-pack, and you can order that. And what it is I'll open it up. It is, you give them your VIN number, and it comes with another lock. So, and two more keys, of course. But so this uses the same key that's on my bike for my saddlebags. So we're going to pause here for just a minute. I'm gonna set up the tripod. So whenever you guys order these things, they are VIN linked to your bike. So you need to make sure that all your paperwork and all that they have it. What they'll ask you for certain things, VIN number, and all that. What they want to do is make sure you're not coming in, you didn't steal a bike or something like that, and now you're trying to rekey it and all that. So it is hooked to the VIN number. So anyway, I'm gonna get set up real quick, and we'll change it out. It's a quick, few minute job. It's not very hard to do, but we'll do it, and we'll take you through the steps, but it won't take long to do it. All right, everyone, we're set up, ready to do it. So what you do is you lift this up right here, and if you see, there's two holes right here. You can get into where these locks are at. So I'm just going to open my tour pack so I can just make sure that nothing's there, but I'll put this in here. Check, yeah, it's the right size. Let's take that screw out. And if there's that little Allen screw, so the reason why I did that, I could put that right there. Make sure this thing is, again, wasn't locked. Unscrew this one. Put out, and then this should just kind of drop out the way like that. We'll put that right there. We'll grab this one out of the package. All right, so now take right here, make sure this goes behind there. We get this, try to get this in here, get the holes lined up. Can't really see all that well in there. I'm gonna try to get this one started. Alright, get that one up. Let me get one's tight. that. So before I do anything, I'm gonna check the key, my key. Looks like it works. Alrighty, got me a couple extra keys for the bike, but really that's all it was. Just used a small little Allen key set, and other than that, that's really about all there is to it. So close this down. Lock it. Keep my stuff secure. Awesome. All right, everyone. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting other things shortly.